we're going to show you how to attach the wrist lanyard to the Sprocket 2-in-1. So this is the wrist strap or wrist lanyard that came with the 2-in-1. However, we would recommend that if possible that you purchase one with a runner. This runner will help to prevent the 2-in-1 or camera from slipping out of your wrist. But for now, we will use the lanyard that came with the Sprocket 2-in-1. So this is the lanyard notch, as you can see over here, and you need to thread the lanyard through this notch. It's a little bit delicate process, and in order to get it through, you may want to use a little pin to get it out. So once it's through the notch, simply pull and thread it through. And there, you have attached your wrist lanyard to the Sprocket 2-in-1. So besides the wrist strap or wrist lanyard, we will also recommend that you get a small pouch for your Sprocket 2-in-1. This is to prevent accidental damage or scratches when you put it into your backpack or handbag, and even in your pocket, where it might rub against your other items and cause scratches to the camera lens. So this pouch is a small investment to protect and care for your HP Sprocket 2-in-1.